We're gonna replace the water pump and the timing belt on a 2008 Honda Pilot. First of all, you have to remove the serpentine belt and loosen the tensioner. Okay, that one right there. It's a 14 millimeter. Just push it towards the cabin. Just push it towards the cabin and just push it some, and then you will have enough clearance for you to remove it. And then we're gonna uninstall. We don't have to detach the high and low pressure on the power steering, but we do have to remove it to have some access to the actual engine mount that is down below, because that needs to be removed for us to have access to the cover and everything right underneath it. You do not have to remove the alternator though, but you do have to remove the belt tensioner. And then we go down below to the most difficult part later on. Okay, we'll catch up later.